So what is a renewable energy credit, Jake? Tell me.
That's a good question. Now, this gets into the weeds of how solar systems work, and not everybody wants to know all this information, but ultimately, your solar system is going to produce a certain amount of power every year, right? And it's going to produce a certain amount of power every single day. In the summer, you're going to overproduce. In the winter, you typically underproduce, right? So in the summer, your system's pumping, and your usage during the day is going to be less than what your solar system is generating. So you're going to get to take that power that you overgenerate, and you sell that power back to PG&E for a renewable energy credit. On a daily basis, you actually buy and sell power from PG&E based off of how much you're producing and how much you're using. So that renewable energy credit is pretty much a token you get for the amount of power you generated at a certain time of day. So right now, peak hours are 4 to 9 p.m. So if you generate more power direct from 4 to 9 p.m., you're going to actually get paid peak rates for that power you generate. And then after 9 p.m., if you start utilizing power, your solar system is probably not producing anything at that point. Then you're going to be buying that power back, but you're actually buying it back from PG&E at less than peak rates. Now, renewable energy credit is kind of your is what that credit is you're getting credit for the power that you sell back to PG&E. That's what renewable energy credit is.
So, but what happens in winter, Jake, if I'm not producing in the later afternoon, the sun goes down?
Yeah, good question. So our idea with sizing these systems is to overgenerate in summer to make up for that underproduction in the winter. And that's really how these systems function. The reality is PG&E and pretty much any utility, most utilities these days, true up on an annual basis. And the reason is they don't want to send you a check in the summer for $100 and then you get billed big bills in the winter. So instead, you true up annually. You're going to see on your statement every month some negative numbers in the summer months, and then you're going to see those positive numbers in the winter months. And ultimately, at the end of the year, we want that true up bill, like you said in the past, to be about 10% or so of what their annual bill was. Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.